Hey guys, here we are again, talk about another Schumacher product. This is the slim inspection light. This is one that I use all the time here at home and a very handy light that I recommend. 16 super bright LEDs in here making up 600 lumens of light. We've got a 1 watt torch in the end as well. Those lights as well are completely dimmable. So you can go from 50 lumens to 600 lumens. Makes a massive, massive difference that you can adjust the light to your workspace. Not only that, is they've got a super strong magnet and a 360 swivel base. So I can get this anywhere that I need to work on my car. So nice and easy. The magnet, super strong and never gonna fall off. It's also got a hook as well for those other hard to reach places that mightn't have a metal base for you to stick to. Really good light, this one that I do recommend. USB rechargeable, 2.6 amp hour lithium battery, USB recharging cord comes with it, and you'll never get in trouble with this one at night. So make sure you've got this one in your kit from Schumacher.